Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming MIUI and signing into your My account so the carousel can fetch wallpapers. Once done, grant home screen, storage, and network permissions. These let images download and update automatically. Make sure battery saver or data restrictions are off for the launcher, otherwise updates pause. Open settings quickly and toggle permissions, because without them the carousel cannot cycle. This initial setup prevents common failures and lets you proceed to configure sources and frequency next. You now pick where images come from and how often they change. In themes, open Wallpaper Carousel settings and choose between curated online feeds, your local albums, or both, selecting local saves bandwidth while feeds give variety. Then set frequency, hourly for freshness, daily for battery balance, or on unlock to limit updates. Also prioritize preferred categories so the system favors landscapes or portraits. Once configured, expect the launcher to prefetch images. That improves smoothness and reduces delay when you unlock. You finish by applying the carousel and verifying it appears on the lock or home screen. If changes don't show, force restart the launcher or reboot your phone to register settings. Make sure storage and network are available and battery optimization isn't killing the service, because those block downloads. If images stop updating, clear the themes or launcher cache and re-enable the Wallpaper Carousel service. This typically fixes stalled fetches. Finally, test by locking and unlocking a few times to confirm the cycle works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.